Hello everyone, this is Sandeep and you are watching my channel Sandeep Orchid. Today I am going to discuss about bacterial soft rot on your orchids, and this is the monsoon season and we are facing so many problems. One of these is bacterial soft rot, so I am going to make this video on this topic. In this time we are facing such a hot and humid climate, so this is the good and ideal climate for fungus and bacterial infection. So let's start with this topic. This is one of my Rhynchostylis gigantea. It bloomed for me this year and the flower color is so attractive. But unfortunately, I noticed today that some part of the leaf is damaged. As you can see, it's infected badly, so it's need treatment. But before that, you have to recognize what is the problem actually. Though it occurs in my Rhynchostylis, but it more common in Phalaenopsis orchids. You may notice small water-soaked spots with unpleasant odor on the leaves. It spreads very rapidly if untreated. The infection can spread to the crown and the plant can be rotten within 2 to 3 days. You must be careful and take the prompt actions if the spot is noticed. This bacterial soft spot is also called Erwinia and it's caused by Pectobacterium carotivorum bacteria. As we discussed, many of my friends facing same problem because this is very hot and humid condition of weather, and prompt treatment is needed in this particular case. So let's see what is the treatment. First, we should isolate the plant because during water splashing, disease can spread to a healthy plant. So isolate first. Before using, sanitize your cutting tools properly. Cut the infected leaf little back from the infected area with a sanitized scissor or any cutting tools. Have a look, close view of bacterial soft rot. I am showing you for better identification. Look the water soaked like appearance here. There may be surrounding by yellow halo and a nasty smell is always present there. The bacterial soft rot progresses too fast, so always be careful. At first, you should spray the whole plant with 3% hydrogen peroxide thoroughly. Now I am mixing hydrogen peroxide with water. Spray the solution thoroughly on your plant. Then what to do next? You can use copper based contact bactericide or fungicide, and you can also apply here cinnamon powder. Both will work well in this particular problem. After trimming the leaves, you can use cinnamon powder because it is a natural bactericide and fungicide. It is a very useful to protect your orchid plant from bacteria or fungus. I hope this spice is available in everyone's kitchen, so we can get it easily and it has no side effects. Apply cinnamon powder on the cutting ends. In my beginning years, I lost many plants, but after using cinnamon powder, I got miracle results. So I always suggest to use it. Now I am using copper based contact bactericide on another leaf. You can use cinnamon powder or any copper based bactericide. I got good results in both procedures. So either or you can choose. Now the treatment is completed. What will be the next step? After treatment, you should do following things. Isolate the plant for few days. Never water your plant for at least 2 days after treatment. Place the plant in an airy place. Last of all, observe the plant closely if there are any further leaf discoloration. This is a Grammatophyllum. Last year monsoon same problem was happened on a young bulb. I had to remove that bulb from the middle and I used cinnamon powder on the cutting end, 2 days interval 3 times. One another monsoon problem is crown rot. You can check it out. I have shared its link on description box. Now the Grammatophyllum is growing so nicely. So this was the treatment of bacterial soft rot, and you may found on not only Rhynchostylis or Phalaenopsis, you may found also in your Dendrobium and Paphiopedilum also. In early cases, water soaked brown spot and foul smelling are the true indications. Last of all, I have to say that early recognition and prompt treatment is the key of success. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day.